Here we are with race number 150, under 19 girls, W6 250 metre te K semi 2 of 3. In lane 2 we have Western Springs College. In lane 3 we have Te Wharekura o Rākau Mangamanga. In lane 4 Horowhenua College. Lane 5 Te Kura o Te Kao. Lane 6 Aotea College. Lane 7 Tauhara College. Lane 8 Wellington High School. Lane 9 Te Kura Māori o Porirua. And lane 10 Te Whatatau o Pūtauaki.
The white flag is up.
A quick turn of flags to the red one as our Waka move up, progressing up to the start line. And green flag out there to start our 150th race. Pretty even start in the middle here, from lane 3 all the way out to lane 6. Lane 6 there, Aotea College, Aura. Inside also, Te Wharekura o Rākau Mangamanga in lane 3. Rākau Mangamanga Rāks 19s girls in the lead with 6 behind them. Aotea College. Oh, but 6 is catching up to them. Can they pull them in? Can they steal that lead? There they go, going hard, emptying the tank all the way to the finish line. But lane 3, Te Wharekura o Rākau Mangamanga takes the dub. Lane 6 out there, Aotea College, and I believe lane 8 maybe, lane 9 perhaps. But here we are, Rākau Manga Rāks 19 girls taking the win for our 150th race. Here we have our replay. Most of them off to a pretty good start, pretty even out there. Lane 3 taking the lead early on with lane 6 and 9 following after. Lane 6 and yes, lane 9. Te Kura Māori o Porirua.
Here we have our times. Te Wharekura o Rākau Mangamanga with a time of 1 minute and 17, and Aotea Ora 1 minute 19, and then we have Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Porirua.